Welcome back students. Let's continue with the problems on Kirchhoff's laws. The fifth problem is, here again two voltage sources are given, 28 volt and 12 volt, and 3 resistors are connected, and I1, I2, I3 we need to find out. At node N, I1 plus I2 is equal to I3. Okay. If I apply KCL to node N, I1 plus I2 is equal to I3. I will consider this as loop 1 and this as loop 2. In loop 1, if I start from this point, here also I1 is only flowing, 3I1, apply KVL to loop 1, 3I1 plus minus, because I2 is in the opposite direction of our analysis direction. So, 6I2 is equal to minus 12 volt plus 28. Here we will find two voltage sources in this loop. So, it will be 3I1 minus 6I2 is equal to 16. Call this as equation number 1. If I apply KVL to loop 2, this loop will start from here, 6I2 plus 2I3 is equal to 12. If I simplify this equation by 2, 3I2 plus I3 is equal to 6. Call this as equation number 2. Okay. Now, I will make this expression in terms of I1 and I2, because the first equation is also we have I1 and I2 are the variables. So, I will substitute for I3, 3I2 according to this equation, I3 is equal to I1 plus I2 is equal to 6. 3 plus 1, 4I2 plus I1 is equal to 6, or it can be written as I1 plus 4I2 is equal to 6. Call this as equation number 3. Now we have got two simultaneous equations to solve. First equation is 3I1, I will start from here, 3I1 minus 6I2 is equal to 16. Here I1 plus 4I2 is equal to 6. I will multiply this equation by 3 so that I will get a common elements to cancel. First equation I will write like that only, 3I1 minus 6I2 is equal to 16. The second equation, 3I1 plus 12I2 is equal to 18. I will subtract this, signs will be changed. So, that will be minus 18I2 is equal to minus 2 it will be. So, I2 is equal to 1 by 9 amperes. Next, find out the I1. What is the equation? Which equation will take for I1? Which one is easier? Take that. Otherwise, we have got I2. It is easy to find I3 here. I3 is equal to 6 minus 3 I2, 6 minus 3 into 1 by 9. So, we will get 6 minus 1 by 3, calculate it and put the value for I3. 6 minus, it will come around 17 by 3 amperes I3, and for I1 we have got I2 and I3. I1 is equal to I3 minus I2. Substitute the value for I3 and I2 and get the value for this I1. You only calculate and put the value of I1. Okay. And one more problem, I will change this resistor as 12 ohm and do this problem with the 12 ohm resistor and calculate the values of I1, I2 and I3. This is the homework problem for you. Solve it and keep it for yourself. If you find difficulty in solving this problem, then only you can message me. Okay. I guess these problems are very interesting for you people. I don't think you are facing any difficulty in solving these problems. If that is the case, please let me know. Don't hesitate to ask doubts. Okay. The next problem, (24 volt, 20 ohm and 6 ohm). Calculate the branch currents in this circuit, and this is the node N. At node N, if I apply KCL, what happens? I1 is equal to I2 plus I3. Okay. For loop 1, apply KVL, it will be 4 I1 plus 20 I2 is equal to 24. I will divide this equation by 4. I1 plus 5 I2 is equal to 6. Call this as equation number 1. If I apply KVL for loop 2, this is loop 2, I will go in this direction. 2 I3 plus 6 I3 minus 20 I2 is equal to 0 because there is no voltage source in this. It will be minus 20 I2 plus 8 I3 is equal to 0. Divide this equation by 4. What you will get? 5 I2 minus 5 I2 plus 2 I3 is equal to 0. Call this as equation 2. equation 1 we have I1 and I2. Here I3 should replace I3 by I3 is equal to I1 minus I2. So minus 5 I2 plus 2 into I1 minus I2 is equal to 0, minus 5 I2 plus 2 I1 minus 2 I2 is equal to 0. You will get 2 I1 minus 7 I2 is equal to 0. Call this as equation number 3. We have equation 1 as I1 plus 5 I2 is equal to 6. So I will multiply this equation by 2. First equation I will write like that only. I1 plus 10 I2 is equal to 12. I will subtract this. You will get minus 17 I2 is equal to minus 12. I will keep it as 12 by 17 amperes like that only. If you have calculator, calculate it. I1 plus 5 I2 is equal to 6. So I2 we have got I1 is equal to 6 minus 5, 12 by 17. Calculate it and put the value for I1. Also you should calculate I3 which is equal to I1 minus I2. You should calculate I1 and I3 values using calculator and keep the answer. Okay. This circuit I will make a little change. I will make this resistor, replace this resistor by 6 volt battery now, and I will change the direction of I3 like this. Now calculate the branch currents. We will solve this problem now. At node 1, if I apply KCL, what happens? I1 plus, I will make this as I2 and this as I3. I2 is equal to I3. This is I3, this is I2 now. I have made little changes in the previous problem. So apply KVL for loop 1. Apply KVL for loop 1. What happens? Same thing, 4I1 plus 20I3 is equal to 24. I will divide this equation by 4. I1 plus 5I3 is equal to 6. Call as this equation as 1. Next, apply KVL for loop 2. What happens? I will move in from this direction. 2I2 plus 20I3 is equal to 6. Divide this equation by 2. I2 plus 10I3 is equal to 3. Call this as equation 2. So here I have I1 and I3. Here also I have I3. I will substitute for I2 that is I2 is equal to I3 minus I1 from this equation. So equation 2 will become I3 minus I1 plus 10 I3 is equal to 3. 11 I3 minus I1 is equal to 3, or you can also write as minus I1 plus 11 I3 is equal to 3. Call this as equation number 3. Now equation 1 is I1 plus 5 I3 is equal to 6. I will just add these two equations, this gets cancels. I will get 16 I3 is equal to 9. I3 is equal to 9 by 16 amperes. Okay, and then calculate value for I3 I have got. For I1 is equal to 6 minus 5 I3. Calculate it and put the value for I1, and also you need to calculate the value of I2. Okay, I2 will be equal to I3 minus I1. You people are having calculator. It is easy for you people to calculate and put the answer. Okay. And the next problem, is 6 volt (4 kilo ohm) I1, I2 and I3, the node N 2 kilo ohm. Calculate the branch currents. In this, you people start calculating it by yourself, and I will join you people at node A, at node N. What happens? I1 plus I2 is equal to I3. Okay. Applying KVL for loop 1, 4K into I1 plus 2K into I3 is equal to 6. Divide this equation by 2. 2K into I1 plus 1K into I3 is equal to 3. Call this as equation number 1. Loop 2. I am applying KVL for loop 2. Here I went in this direction, here I will go in this direction. Loop 2, it will be, what's the value of the third resistor is 6 kilo ohm. It is 6 kilo ohm given. 6 kilo into I2 plus 2 kilo into I3 is equal to 18. I will divide this equation by 2. I will get 3 kilo into I2 plus 1 kilo into I3 is equal to 9. All this as equation number 2. So I will substitute for I2. I2 is equal to I3 minus I1. So here in the second equation 3k into I3 minus I1 plus 1 kilo into I3 is equal to 9. 3k I3 minus 3k I1 plus 1k I3 is equal to 9. Now the equation will be 3k I1 minus 3k I1 plus 4k to I3 is equal to 9. Call this as equation number 3. Okay, we have I1 and I3 variables. I will take equation number 1, sorry, that is 2k I1 plus 1k I3 is equal to 3. I will multiply this by 4. First equation I will write like that only, plus 4k I3 is equal to 9. It is 8k I1 plus 4k I3 is equal to 12. If I subtract this, all the sign changes, cancel this, minus 11k I1 is equal to minus 3. I1 is equal to 3 by 11 milliamperes. I1 value we have got as 3 by 11 milliamperes. Then go for calculating I3, that is 1k I3 is equal to 3 minus 2k into I1, that is 3 by 11 milli. These two gets cancels. It is I3 is equal to 3 minus 6 by 11 divided by 1 kilo. It will be, calculate the value of I3, that will be equal to, I3 is equal to 27 by 11 milliamperes. I guess calculate this, 33 minus 6 it will be 27 by 11, 1 kilo will go upwards, then it is 127 by 11 milliamperes. Then what is the value of I2? I3 minus I1, 27 by 11 minus 3 by 11, I2 will be 24 by 11 milliamperes. Okay, calculate, you yourself do all these problems, then it will be easier for you. The next problem, the next one and the last one I will solve for you. volt, 6 ohm, 3 ohm, 4 ohm, 2 ohm. This is loop 1, this is loop 2. Okay. At node N, I1 plus I3 is equal to I2 it is. Sorry, I3 direction is this way. So I1 is equal to I2 plus I3 it will be. For loop 1, if you apply KVL, 6 I1 plus 3 I2 is equal to 16. Call this as equation number 1. For loop 2, 2 I3 plus 4 I3 minus 3 I2 is equal to 0, no voltage source. It will be minus 3 I2 plus 6 I3 is equal to 0. If I divide this equation by 3, minus I2 plus 2 I3 is equal to 0. Call this as equation number 2. So we have first equation I1 and I2. Here I3 we have got extra. So I will substitute for I3. The second equation, minus I2 plus 2 I3 will be equal to I1 minus I2, it will be I1 minus I2 is equal to 0, minus I2 plus 2 I1 minus 2 I2 is equal to 0. It will be 2 I1 minus 3 I2 is equal to 0. Call this as equation number 3. The first equation I will take, that is 6 I1 plus 3 I2 is equal to 16. If I add these two will get cancels. I will get 8 I1 is equal to 16. I1 is equal to 16 by 2, 16 by 8, it is 2 amperes. After this, I1 value I have got. I will calculate for I2, that is 6 I1 plus 3 I2 is equal to 16. The equation 1, 6 into 2 is equal to 16. 3 I2 is equal to 16 minus 12. Therefore I2 value will get 4 by 3 amperes. I2 value you are getting 4 by 3 amperes. Therefore I3 will be equal to I1 minus I2. I1 is 2 amperes divided by 4 by 3. Calculate the value for I3 and keep the value, that is 2 minus 4 by 3, 4 by 3 in the sense it is 1.33, then it will be 0.66 amperes. Calculate it and keep the answer. We have solved around 6 or 7 problems, I guess. Try to solve. If you come across any such kind of problems, try to solve it. If I found any question paper problems, I will post it in the group. Please try to solve those problems. And Kirchhoff's law problems, I guess these are enough. If you come across any question paper problems, if I come across any question paper problems or model question paper problems, I will post you it in the group. If you cannot solve, then I will solve it too for you. Okay. In the next class, we'll move forward with the voltage divider and current divider rules and solve problems on those. Then we'll go to network theorems. Okay. Thank you.